peace. So I had to balance my life back again. And after I left that toxic job, I always made sure I did something that, poured into myself, that restored my mental health, that I had to remind myself that I am not my situation. I am not my financial situation. I'm not nothing is wrong with me because people don't support me or like me. We have to reaffirm that inside of ourselves. You have to speak over your life. Just because I'm not where I want to be, it doesn't mean I'm not a good person. It doesn't mean that I won't be a good person in a romantic relationship or this or that or the third, whatever your situation is. It doesn't mean that you're not good, a good person, or good things aren't going to come for you. But sometimes we do have those situations of pain or of disrespect or not being where we want to be, but that doesn't mean we're not a good person. And I always remind myself that, this too shall pass. Better is coming for me. But in the meantime, steady work on things to make yourself happy. Work on things to restore your peace. And make sure you have people in your life that are literally pouring into you. The people who will call you and text you. Pour your energy and your time into those people. People forget to say thank you for your friendship and your love and your support. People will take you for granted as long as you allow them to. So I also had to stop being guilty of that. We kind of expect for people to be our friend or to love us, but are you saying thank you and I appreciate you and I'm grateful for you? Because those are the things that we want too. So all of these are just some reminders and just some encouragement to everybody. We all need things that will restore our mental health, that make us happy, that brings us peace, but at the same time, don't be a doormat. I want to say this message for somebody. I hope even if one person hears this message and makes a shift in their life, shift yourself away from people who use you as a doormat, people who like to control you or manipulate you, people who always want to put you down so that they can elevate themselves. Stay away from those people. Don't tell those people your business. And yes, sometimes you will feel sad. You may feel lonely. You may get discouraged, but it's better to be alone than to be in a big group of people who don't care for you or people who just aren't kind to you. And nobody deserves that. We're not doormats. Don't let people run over you and treat you bad and you feel like you have to keep taking it. Yeah, maybe sometimes at a job you have to deal with people, but it doesn't have to go past being cordial. You don't have to say anything but hello and goodbye or whatever it is that you do professionally. Sometimes you just got to deal with certain people, but you don't have to go beyond that. You don't have to do any extras. So that was all I came on to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the topic and the message. I just do my random, quick 10 to 20-minute live streams because your girl is busy. I'm a busy woman. But at the same time, I don't want you guys to think I don't think about you guys and I don't think about this channel. I'm working on some things behind the scenes to improve this channel and to make it better. But in the meantime, in between time, I hope you guys are well. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, to all of my returning subscribers, and to everybody who is new. I wish you well. This channel is about real talk and real conversations, and I think there's nothing that could be more real than to say, take care of yourself. Don't let people run over you. Okay? And you, all you moms and dads, aunties and uncles, cousins, brothers, hard workers, kind people, loving people. Don't let people use your kindness for weakness. We're not weak. We're knowledgeable. We know our worth. And we can do better. Make sure to treat yourself well. Know that you are enough. You are somebody. But sometimes people don't realize who you are. And those are the people that you got to remove yourself from their life because they don't deserve you. Okay, guys? Real talk, real conversations. And you're welcome.